Did you know puppies can sense your emotions and respond with affection? Surprising, right? Let's explore whether puppies secretly adore their owners and why understanding this strengthens your bond. Many believe puppies show affection only through wagging tails, but interpreting their feelings can be tricky. Misunderstanding these signals might lead to missed opportunities for deeper connections. Puppies express love through various signs. Notice their body language, like leaning against you or maintaining eye contact. Playful behavior, such as bringing toys, also indicates affection. The most telling signs of a puppy's love include following you around and resting their head on you. Studies show these behaviors reflect a strong emotional bond,